Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Just wanted to start off the video by saying Joanne did not win. She got second. I don't know how much by they didn't show the votes, but thank you all so much for the support. Moving on to today's video. Back at it again. Yesterday went around strapping the wire, and today we went around making them up. Just because I think we're running out of things to do. So just stuck the wire in there, landed the wires, and then closed it back up. They were all wrapped in plastic, so that's kind of why we weren't making them up, but we decided just to cut the plastic, fold it up, and then fold it back down. So we went around making those up today, all 24 of those. There's 20 units, and then there is 4 of the controller units. And then at the end of the day, started hanging boxes. We're going to be working on the hallway lighting again, and not the hallway, the stairwell lighting. If you remember, like a month ago, we were hanging lights, or maybe it was a month and a half or 2 months, hanging lights in the stairwells. So that's what we're doing here again. So these are the stairwells they just, the permanent stairwells they just put in from the 1st to 6th floor. This is one of the stairwells in the middle, and then there's another stairwell they're still working on that still has to be done, which isn't complete yet, so we can't work on that. So I have to got all the measurements written down on the walls, so I just have to go back tomorrow and mount all the spreader bars, boxes, and then mount pipes between the floors, connecting all the boxes and whatnot. And then on this other side over here, they're missing some studs. I think they were actually working on that at the end of the day. Probably not going to be complete on that one, but the rest of them we can do. And so that's what we'll be working on tomorrow, me and Nick. And that should do it, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed, make sure to drop a like on the video, subscribe. Don't forget to check out the description for anything else, and make sure to hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams like this. This was literally like 5 minutes ago. I don't know why I was playing video games before making today's video, but I went ahead and smoked this kid first game of the day, and first game of October.